everyone. Today we're having the third episode of the Tea Time Talks at Sunset. We're not at the beach and it's only me and Mayuri today. Why? Because we're so busy and we're working on so many projects that even though we're physically next to each other, we couldn't even see each other for today.
Yeah.
So imagine.
It's been pretty hectic.
Pretty
but
hectic.
good. I think working on global impact really energizes all of us. So tired, but good.
I like this. We really wanted to talk about something today that's really important, and it's the fine line between tourism booming and us making sure that we're actually doing something to remedy all the negatives around it.
Yeah, I would completely say that the tourism is booming because while coming here, our flight was jam-packed. Joanna and I met for the first time in the Dubai airport, so it is lovely. But also, I noticed that the Dubai airport had a lot of people coming in, so definitely the tourism is definitely booming.
Yeah, and because here in the Seychelles, when we arrived, I think it was the second day of when they opened up for tourists to come. And I remember the first few days we were going to the beach and we were admiring how clean the beaches are.
Yeah.
And then 2 days later, I remember we went to the beach together and we saw a surgical mask. We were like, no,
not yet. I think that can work both ways. We could feel sad about it and not do anything about it. Or we could go on Global Impact and start our own event. So I think that we're planning on a beach cleanup event, which is gonna be really good and exciting.
Yeah.
And we'll be doing some really amazing stuff. And with COVID, obviously, all the medical wastes and the masks are all washing up, and you see them quite often on the beaches. So I'm pretty pumped and excited to go and clean them up.
No, and it's great because we also met quite a lot of young kids that live here in the Seychelles.
Yeah.
And they completely understood that as a fun activity, and it was great because they were like, "Oh, can you please include us? We wanna have fun and clean the beaches with some music on." So they were quite pumped as well.
Yeah.
It was very
Yeah.
fun. And I think it's that again, like I don't know if you agree with me, but it's finding that balance between the fact that tourism is a fantastic thing. We're really happy about it. We're happy that it's booming.
Mm-hmm.
We're happy that the economy is booming. It's one of the SDGs as well. But at the other hand, we also have to keep mindful of the adverse effects of tourism.
Yeah, of course. I mean, the whole idea of flying in somewhere causes a lot of carbon footprint, and even if we are touring places and visiting other places, we have to be really mindful of what we do. So we can have fun, but we should also keep in mind that we need to balance out our carbon footprint. So wherever we can walk, we should probably walk and not take a taxi or a cab or something like that.
Yeah.
And definitely have more meat-free meals. Don't forget to log it on the Global Impact app. Yeah, I think, but personally, I think having a meat-free meal is pretty doable, even if we are, touring other places.
No, that's great. And Em, tell me, like, I'm really curious to know, because Em is the mastermind behind all of our impact statistics. She very diligently calculates everything, and she makes sure that the data is, absolutely accurate to a 100.
Thank you.
And I'm super curious to know, like, what goes in your mind when you're checking out how much impact people are making from beach cleanups that we host.
Yeah, I think it's a twofold process. The first time when I sit and research everything, it's more like, oh my gosh, there is so much happening. Oh my god, there's so much of pollution. There's that wave of worry and that sense of despair. I get that a lot when I go through the first portion of data mining and stuff like that. But the second portion where we start, saying that, okay, by doing this or cleaning a beach, picking up a mask, how much impact are we making? I think that's the part that makes me feel very hopeful. And the fact that we can do something about it and it counts. For me, that's the best giveaway, I think, in some ways.
Yeah, definitely. That's why we love hosting them. And I'm actually, we created today, right? The beach cleanup event. We were thinking, we had this, idea that obviously not all of us are fortunate enough to live next to the ocean or next to the sea. But whoever does, it's going to be fascinating for us to know. So next week, from Thursday to Saturday, we're going to be hosting a World Beach Cleanup Day, which is like, let's see how many countries are, have a cleanup beach. And we're going to gather up the people here on Mahe. We're going to see which beaches in Eden we can maybe, tackle, clean up some stuff, and people around the world are going to join and clean up some other beaches. Yeah. Even in the UK, if you're in Brighton, you can clean up that beach too. It's no excuse.
Yeah, I think she had a very fair point, ambassadors. Please keep on a watch out.
But it's gonna be fun. Like as the kids said, like it doesn't have to be this, a beach cleanup isn't that much of a formal event. It's mostly like, get some music on, get your friends, gather around.
It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm really looking forward to it, by the way.
Yeah.
I think I've gone to a beach cleanup a couple of months ago and I really enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
No, it's gonna be really exciting, and I think it's gonna drive us a lot.
Yeah, I think that's why we find motivation, do good things, and log it on our app.
Yeah, and it's also about we talk about the fact that it's planet over perfection. We're not trying to cause. We know that beaches are gonna get probably polluted again. But it's the mindset that we're making a gradual, small change, which leads to a positive reinforcement of character and building a habit, which I think is super important, right?
Yeah, 100%.
It's such a we're so grateful. We wake up every morning and we feel so blessed to be here. We kind of wish. One day we'll be able to host retreats and trips where we can all organize the people from Global Impact to visit different places, and I think that's very special. So hopefully we'll get to that point.
Definitely, 100%.
But for now, let's cheers for Tea Time Talks at sunset. Even though our colleagues are not here, they're just like us. You're just here, and the birds are here, so we're not alone. You're here with us. We're here. Mayuri is our lovely girl in charge of everything statistics and data wise. I am the girl with the marketing. So you have two parts of Global Impact, which is I think so great. But Mayuri, cheers, my love. Cheers to us making an impact with these wonderful people together. And thank you so much for joining us today. And until tomorrow, when we'll talk, should we give them a sneak peek? We're not going to give you a sneak peek. Okay, bye guys!